Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to limit file sharing in Google Drive. This is a simple way to keep better control over your files and protect your privacy. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in. Once you're in, locate the file you want to secure. Next, click the three dots, also called the More Options button, right next to your file. From there, choose Share. In the sharing window, you'll see who currently has access. To get more control, click the small gear icon in the top right corner. Here you'll find Advanced Options. Uncheck the box that lets viewers and commenters download, print, or copy your file. This ensures they can only view it without making copies or sharing it further. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Double-check that the restrictions are in place so your file stays protected. And that's it. You've just learned how to limit file sharing in Google Drive. Adjusting these settings keeps your information safe and gives you peace of mind.